Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to understand how to trigger a WhatsApp message automatically when an event occurs in your CRM or workflow, whether that's on a lead, deal, account, ticket, or any other object, using Office 24 by 7's automation workflows. In our previous videos, we explored how to create a WhatsApp bot configuration workflow that interacts with customers using automated conversations. This time, we're focusing on another use case of WhatsApp automation, sending notifications automatically when a specific event occurs. For example, you can set up notifications for your internal teams or customers whenever a lead is converted, a ticket is closed, or a deal is won. In today's example, I'll walk you through how to send an automatic WhatsApp notification to a sales manager whenever a lead status is updated to converted. Let's open the WhatsApp notification workflow so I can explain how it's built. As you already know, every automation flow in Office 24 by 7 begins with a trigger at the object level. In this case, we want the trigger to activate whenever a lead record is updated. So, in the From Object node, which is our trigger node, I've selected the object type as Dynamic Object, the object name as Leads, and the record action as Update. This means that anytime an update happens in the Leads object, this workflow will start running. Now, we don't want to trigger this automation for every single update, only when the lead status field is updated to converted. So, the next step is to add a condition node. I've used the if value condition here to check for a specific field value. Inside this condition, I selected Object from the Object.com-list dropdown, then chose the Leads object again. From the list of available fields, I selected Lead Status. Since I only want the automation to continue when the lead status becomes converted, I set the operator to is and value to converted. So, whenever the lead status changes to converted, this condition will be satisfied, and the automation will follow the yes path. If the update happens on any other field or the lead status is something else, it will follow the no path, which will simply end the automation. Now, when the condition is true, we need to send a WhatsApp message to the sales manager. To do this, I've added a people node and connected it to the yes path of the if value node. In the people node, you can decide who will receive the WhatsApp message. There are three types available: user, customer, and others. Since we're sending this notification to the sales manager, who is an internal user of the system, I selected user. Once you select user, the system automatically loads the list of all users in your organization. From this list, I selected Will Smith, who is the sales manager. In the user field type, I chose mobile number because the message needs to be delivered to his WhatsApp-linked mobile number. If we were sending this to a customer, we would have selected customer in the people type and mapped the corresponding field that stores the customer's phone number. The next step is to define what message will be sent. For that, I've connected a message file node to the people node. This is where we configure the WhatsApp message that will be sent automatically inside the message file node. I selected WhatsApp as the message type. Then, I chose the WhatsApp business account number from which the message will be sent. After that, I picked a pre-approved WhatsApp message template from the list. These templates are the same ones that we create and get approved by Meta in the WhatsApp add-on section. If you haven't yet seen how to create and get those templates approved, we've covered that in detail in a previous video. Check the link in the card above or in the description. Now, in this particular template, there are 4 variables that make the message personalized for each recipient. Variables 1 and 4 are both set to display the assigned agent's name, while variable 2 shows the lead ID and variable 3 shows the lead name. When the message is sent, these placeholders automatically pull data from the corresponding fields in the leads object. This makes every notification unique and relevant without you having to write separate messages manually. Finally, I've connected an end node to close the flow. The no path, where the lead status isn't converted, also ends there, since no action needs to be taken. Every time a salesperson updates the leads object in the CRM, this automation gets triggered. The system checks whether the updated field is lead status and whether it equals converted. If it meets the condition, a message is automatically sent to the sales manager via WhatsApp. For instance, the message could look like this: You can tailor these automations to suit your organization's communication flow. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.